In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Slack account permanently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack settings and what to click so your account is fully deactivated and you're no longer part of that workspace. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace on a desktop browser. Deleting your account can't be done from the mobile app, so open a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, head over to Slack, and log in with the account you want to remove. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one before you continue, because you'll be deactivating your account only for this specific workspace. Once you're signed in, look to the top right or left side of the Slack window, depending on your layout, and find your profile picture in the sidebar. This is usually a small circle with your photo or initials. Click on that profile picture to open a menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Profile. This will open a panel or page showing your basic information, like your name, display name, and contact details. On this profile view, look for the More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots and then select Account Settings. This option will take you out of the regular chat interface and into a settings page in your browser, where Slack manages your account level preferences for that workspace. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Deactivate Account. Take a moment here to understand what this means. Deactivating your account will remove your access to the workspace, and your profile will be deactivated, but your past messages and files may still be visible to others, depending on your workspace's retention settings. When you're ready, click the button that says Deactivate your account. Slack will now ask you to confirm this action. You'll need to enter your password to prove that it's really you making the request. Type in your current Slack password carefully. Once it's entered, look for the confirmation button that says, Yes, deactivate my account, and click it. After you do this, your Slack account for that workspace will be permanently deactivated, and you'll be signed out. If you ever need Slack again, you'll have to be invited back or create a new account for a workspace.